Well, I need to do a voiceover. That's my ultrasonic cleaner, and the camera was disturbed by the ultrasonic. So it's an ultrasonic bath, and you can see a plastic bag floating in there. And I'm using that with a cleaner inside of it so that I don't have to deal with the bath water itself. All of the contaminants are contained within the plastic bag. You just saw the temperature gun there, and it gives you an indication that the water does get warm. And we will move on, and I will show you a little clip of the unit before it was cleaned. Again, a voiceover, and there you can see the stone is quite filthy from all of the service that it has provided me in the last probably 2 years. I had not cleaned this. This is the first cleaning that I've ever done on the stones. Showing the bag with the detergent and getting ready to start the cleaning. And it's in there now, cleaning away. It's a mixture of Dawn liquid soap and water. And you can see it's been cooking for a while there. It's a mixture of 1 to 10. 1 of Dawn and 10 of water. And the unit requires that the water is about 1 inch down from the top. So when it floats in there, it works well. It pushes the water up. But all of the dirt and contaminants are contained within the bag. I may say this again. I'm talking about it there, but the ultrasonic was picked up on the camera and just fuzzed the heck out of the discussion that I was having. So let's put a break on this, and we will move on. I'm shutting off the unit and picking the bag up out of the water. You can see the amount of water it displaces within the unit. As I mentioned, the unit needs to run about 1 inch down from the top. We'll get it out of there, and I'm talking about the inch down. Sorry for this voiceover, but it works very well, the cleaning method here. And let's move it over and get it out of the package and see how the stone looks. Okay, let me open the bag and we'll get the stone out of here. Oh, a little warm. There you go. A nice clean stone. Go run it under some water to get all the soap off of it. And it's ready to put back into service. Okay, there they are. Nice and clean, silky smooth. Ready to go back into service. And that's a quick little tip. The plastic bag. Now I can just pour that down the sink. It's just Dawn and water. But the fact is I don't have to go over and rinse out my ultrasonic cleaner. And it just put the lid on it and it's ready for the next service. Add a little more water if I need it. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by the shop. I hope you enjoyed. And as always, I appreciate your time. And we'll see you soon again.